It's time to unbox the GoPro Hero 10. Let's go! Hi everyone, welcome back for another video. Like what I mentioned from the previous vlog, I will do the unboxing of my new GoPro Hero 10. So I will show to you guys what's actually inside the box and as well as the other accessories that I actually purchased, which I will be using with my new GoPro Hero 10. So just a quick background about this one. Me and Daniel were actually first choosing between GoPro Hero 9 and the DJI Pocket 2. And then while we're watching videos about the comparison, we decided that we actually are going to get the GoPro 9. And then we later found out that there's actually this new GoPro Hero 10. So we were watching videos again comparing the GoPro 9 and then the GoPro 10. So that's the time that we decided that we will just get the latest GoPro Hero 10 because this was actually released only last September 2021. So with this one, I actually purchased this at Henry's Camera, specifically at SM City North EDSA Annex. And then they actually have 10 different branches that you can check on their website so that you can be able to choose which were actually going to be near you if you decided to purchase from Henry's Camera, because they're actually one of the authorized seller of the GoPro product, so you don't have to worry about the warranties or anything. And then with this specific device, I was able to purchase it for only 27,490 pesos. And then the original price of this one was actually 29,490. So there's is actually 2,000 pesos discount for this one. And then before anything else, I also purchased this SanDisk Extreme Pro memory card around 128 gigabytes, which is the recommended memory card that you should purchase for your GoPro 10. And then I was able to purchase it for around 1,695. I'm not sure if that is actually already pricey or cheap for this type of memory card, because I check on the other stores and it's actually around 2,200 pesos, and this is the cheapest one that I purchased already. And I'm also hesitant to purchase online because I'm sure you are aware that there's actually fake products of this type of memory card, so you have to be very careful about that as well, because you wouldn't want your files to be corrupted. And then this gimbal stabilizer, I purchased this before online for 1,150 pesos, but I was using this on my phone from my previous vlog, so hopefully this is actually going to be compatible with my GoPro 10 so that I won't need to buy any new monopod or stabilizer anymore. Though you won't need any stabilizer for this type of device already, because the stabilization is actually on great quality for this one, according to the videos that we actually watch. So let's now try to check the box, what's inside it. Let's start with the left side of the box. You will be able to see what actually our GoPro Hero 10 can offer. So for example, it actually has 23 megapixel and then supports 5K and 4K when it comes to videos. This is also waterproof around 33 feet or 10 meters. Voice control as well, slow motion. You can also use it for live streaming and then as a web camera, and then it's also mod ready and a lot of other things as well. And then on the other side of the box are the things that's already included inside it. So there is the GoPro 10 unit, the rechargeable battery, which is only one, and then the screw, and then two different types of mounts, and then the cable, Type-C cable for the charger, and then the molded case. Okay, so let's now try remove it from the box. So as soon as you remove it from the box, you will be able to see the molded case, which is this one. This is actually a very nice case because this is very hard and very good actually, so you will not have to worry if you will put it in your bag. You will not worry if your GoPro 10 will actually get ruined, so your device will actually going to be protected in this one. So let's now try to open it, and then ta-da! Okay, so this is actually what's inside the box. That's basically it. So let's now try check each and every one of them. So first is there's actually like two manuals inside. This thick one was actually for general instructions for actually under different languages. And then for this one, they have actually stickers, three different stickers, and then manual on how you can actually use different mounts. And then this is actually as well on how you should update the GoPro before using it, because that's what they're actually recommending for you to update it first. And then you can actually update it using the quick application, which is the QUIK. I'll also put the screenshot of this specific application in this video. And then you can also use it if you can also update it either if you're using an iOS device or an Android device, so that's gonna be fine. And then this is the Type-C cable for the charger, so that's it. And then these two different types of mounts. I'm actually not really aware on how you can actually properly use it. And then this is the rechargeable battery. It's just very small, just that small. And then the screw for the mounts for it to be steady and protected so that it will not fall or anything. And then this is already the GoPro Hero 10 unit. It's just very small. It's just that small. I'm just a small woman, so this is actually very small and it's not that heavy as well. So it already has this is actually one good thing I like about it, because it already has a front screen, so that whenever you take videos or photos like that, you will be able to see already what you are capturing from the front cam. And then if you're actually taking footage like that, then you will have a bigger screen at the back of it. Okay, so let's now try to remove the paper. And then we will also try to update it later on once we open the device already. You know that feeling when you're like trying to open a new device, like you're very careful about everything, every piece of paper, every plastic of it and stuff. So it's still protected with like plastics in there and stuff. And then this is where you can actually see the mount where you actually wanted to use it. This is where I'm going to try it here. So let's just check. Okay, this is actually how it looks like. So hopefully it will actually going to be compatible. Okay, so let's just remove this one because this is the one for the mobile phones. Okay. Oh my gosh, it actually fits perfectly. So let's try if I will be able to screw it. Oh my gosh, guys, it actually works. So I don't need to actually buy a new monopod anymore, because this is also a tripod. So this is actually going to be great. As you can see, if you're actually interested, this is actually what specifically the gimbal is. So the gimbal stabilizer LO8. So yup, so that's basically how it will look like. So this is very nice. Okay guys, so we will now try to update the GoPro 10 already from the quick application, but first let's try to put the battery. So if you can actually see, if the camera is facing you, the front camera itself, the battery compartment is on the left side. So this is actually where I'm quite nervous, but I tried it already earlier. And this embossed part here, you just have to push that down slowly and it will already open. It's actually not that difficult. And now let's try to put the battery, which I don't know how, so let's just check. Okay, I think it fits. Okay, and then as well on the battery compartment, you will see the where you can actually connect the Type-C charger here below, and then where you can also put the memory card on this one. So let's try to put this already here as well, so we can try to update it already. And by the way, I already downloaded the quick application on my phone as well, so we will be able to try that already. So let's just try this one. Okay, so let's now try to put the memory card. I think it's best to put first your memory card before you put the battery because you have to push it in. Okay, and now let's put it back. It's really always a hassle when it's your first time because you're actually like going to guess. Okay, there you go. Okay, and then let's just close it. Just push it gently. And then let's now try to open our application, which is this quick one. So when you open it, it will ask you if you would like to access your photo. So just allow that one. And then would you like to use Bluetooth? Okay. And then you have to connect it with the Wi-Fi as well. So, okay. And then let's now try to open it. Okay, so it's already open. And then when you open the quick application, it will just ask you, do you also own a GoPro? Yes, I have a GoPro. And then pair my GoPro. And then on your GoPro 10, you will just have to choose your language. It's also a touch screen, which is very nice. And then just agree. Okay. And then some other stuff. And then it will tell you to install your GoPro Quick application. And then leave your camera on and follow the app instruction. And then from your phone, you will see the list on what type of GoPro you actually have. So I have the Hero 10 Black, so I will choose on that one. And it will ask you to turn on your camera, which is already turned on. So my camera is on. And then swipe down left and tap connection. Okay, continue. And then pair my camera. Okay, pair. Okay, so just pairing it, and then let's just wait. Okay, so now it's already paired, so you just have to choose your camera name. So let's just put there Kennedy's Hero 10. Okay guys, I was actually able to update it already because the battery earlier was actually too low for the update. So once you updated it, you will actually able to see everything in here. So the battery percentage, and then what type of videos you're actually taking and other stuff. And then you just have to swipe down so that you can check the other preference, and your GoPro was actually ready to use already. So there guys, I was able to have myself familiarized on how to properly use this GoPro Hero 10 for beginners. So I was able to check the settings, and it was actually very easy to get yourself familiarized with it, given the fact that it's touch screen. So that's actually very good. And I also tried having the battery got fully charged, and that just took me around 1.5 hours. So it was just very quick. But one thing I noticed is when you're using it under 4K video, the camera actually gets warm, but it's not really hot, but it really gets warm. And according to the reviews, that's actually normal, so you don't have to worry about it. And it's also normal if you're using 4K videos or higher, that the battery actually drains too fast. So I will actually show you the difference. So right now, I'm just using my phone camera for this recording, together with this external microphone that I'm using for the audio. And then let's just try this one. So there guys, right now I'm already using this GoPro Hero 10 for this specific footage in this video. So it's up to you on how you actually will see the difference, because earlier, if you're actually curious, I was using my Huawei phone together with the help of an external microphone, so obviously the audio is going to be different. So if you actually have any suggestion on what will be the best microphone that I should buy that will fit perfectly for my vlogging, then I will really appreciate the one. And any other accessory suggestion that I should buy as well for my GoPro Hero 10, I will definitely appreciate that one. So I hope you actually enjoy our video guys, our unboxing of the GoPro Hero 10, and please do like and subscribe on our channel, and also click the bell button if you wanted to be notified for our next video. So far it's actually very good. The stabilization is very outstanding, and I will show you actually outdoors vlogs on the next coming video, so that you will see the difference on how good this GoPro 10 actually is. So thank you for watching guys, and have a good day. Goodbye now.